morning everyone. My name is Nishan. I am studying in UKG class and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26 January Republic Day and we are celebrating 76th Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On 26th January 1950, our constitution came into force. The constitution is the supreme law of India. We should always respect our constitution. That they teach us to live in unity and peace. On 26 January, the President of India rose to the national flag in New Delhi. I am proud to be an Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind.